I've got some news today that I'm sure a lot of people are going to be really excited for. Chatbase has now added way more models to choose from when they're building their custom chatbots. And we've also released a new compare mode that will allow you to test multiple different models at the same time for your chatbot. These features are going to make our AI playground even more powerful because you can now test them with your custom instruction prompts and get the exact chatbot that you're looking for. If Chatbase is new to you, welcome. We're building a no-code custom chatbot builder that anybody can use to build the exact custom chatbot of their dreams using their own data. You can use text files, a website, or your Notion as a data source. Then you can embed your chatbot anywhere and connect it to thousands of other tools. To create your first chatbot for free, go to chatbase.co. In a minute, I will break down each of the new models and show you the new compare mode. But first, let me explain why you might want to try these new models in the first place. You see, some models are faster and cost less, while others are slower but might be more advanced. If your chatbot is only responding to basic customer support inquiries, then you don't need a super advanced AI model to do that. So you might prefer a faster option. If you're building a chatbot for your internal team, you might want a slightly slower chatbot that is better at solving multi-step complex problems. And you may also require less messages for your internal team, but a public-facing chatbot might receive thousands of messages. So in that case, a faster, more efficient model will better serve you. At Chatbase, different membership plans have varying amounts of message credits included, and each model requires a different amount of credits per message. So you may find that you exhaust the message credits faster on certain models, and others you have plenty. Watch this video through to the end to better understand how each AI model works and a breakdown of the associated credit costs per model. That way you know exactly which model is best for you. So to begin, make sure you're inside your chatbot's dashboard. To get here, log into your account and select one of your existing chatbots. If you don't see one here, make sure you create your first chatbot. So if your chatbot is ready, click on it and you should see this playground page. This is the testing ground for your chatbot. And this is where you will see our latest update. If you click this drop-down menu under model, you will find all of the newly available model choices. Now let's go through each of them so you can see which one works for you. First, let's go through the OpenAI models, some of which already existed inside of Chatbase. So first on this list is GPT-4, which excels at solving difficult problems, but not generally as fast as some of the other models. It has a higher credit cost at 20 per message. Next on the list is GPT-4 Turbo. GPT-4 Turbo is an optimized version of GPT-4. It has half the credit cost at 10 credits per message, and it generates faster responses than regular GPT-4. Generally, this is a better option than GPT-4. Next, we have GPT-3.5 Turbo. GPT-3.5 Turbo only costs 1 credit per message. This model is fast and inexpensive, good for a simple customer support chatbot where speed is the most important. Next, we have GPT-4o. This is currently OpenAI's flagship model, and it's great for solving complex multi-step tasks. It's actually twice as fast as GPT-4 Turbo, and it has great support for non-English languages. This is a great choice for high performance combined with speed, and it only costs 1 credit. This is an ideal model for most cases. Next is GPT-4o Mini. It has the same message cost of 1 credit, but it's slightly faster. It's likely going to be a superior choice to 3.5 Turbo, and it's an ideal option when speed is important. Next on the list is models from Anthropic. First, we have Claude 3 Haiku, and it only costs 1 credit per message. If you prefer Anthropic models over OpenAI, then this might be a great option for you. Claude 3 Opus is next, and it's excellent for highly complex tasks. This is great for your internal team that might need superior performance. It's going to be slower and have a higher credit cost at 20 per message. For some that are building internal tools, you probably have plenty of credits, and this is exactly what you might need. Next, we have Claude 3.5 Sonnet. This is Anthropic's latest AI model, and in some aspects, they're most intelligent. It is significantly faster than Opus, and it requires significantly less credits at just 1 credit per message. This is a great option. And now finally, we have Google's AI models. First is Gemini 1.5 Flash. This is their fast model, and it's great for customer support inquiries that are simple to moderately complex. It's also at the base level of only 1 credit per message. Then we also have Gemini 1.5 Pro, Google's advanced model. It has higher intelligence and is more capable compared to 1.5 Flash. It's a bit slower than Flash, but it's great for complex tasks that require more accuracy. If you prefer the Gemini models, then this is a great option for you, and like Flash, it's only 1 credit per message. As you can see, there's lots of models to choose from, and it's never been easier to test it here inside of the AI playground. You can easily swap between models, and you can test your different custom instruction prompts with each model right here. Whatever changes you make on the left side, do not change your chatbot until you click Save to Chatbot. So you can message your chatbot here and test each one for yourself. We also just released the compare mode, which takes this a step further. To activate this testing mode, just click the compare button. Here you can activate multiple different models and see how they respond to your messages. You can also set different instruction prompts and change the temperature, which determines how creative your chatbot is going to be in its responses. See, I can type the messages here and they populate across each active chatbot. Then I can review the response provided across all of the different chatbot options. Awesome is that? All right, thank you guys for watching this quick update video. This was such a simple update, but man, it's so useful. There are now so many ways to customize your chat-based chatbots, and we have so many more exciting features that are on the way. Let me know in the comments which model works best for you, and let me know if there are any other models that we should add in the future. Drop a like for the algorithm so that more people discover the power of Chatbase, and subscribe to follow along for more updates. Now watch one of these videos to learn more about Chatbase. All right, guys, I will see you in the next one.